we will start with some basic questions and then go in detail. First question, what is URS and what are the key qualification stages? URS is the document which specify what the equipment must do. Other important qualification stages are DQ, design qualification, FAT, factory acceptance test, IQ, installation qualification, SAT, that is site acceptance test, OQ for operational qualification, and PQ stands for performance qualification. What is URS in pharmaceuticals? URS or User Requirement Specification is a formal document detailing all the functional and technical requirements for equipment, machinery, or software to be procured, ensuring they meet operational and regulatory needs. Why is URS important in pharmaceutical industry? A clear URS is crucial for guaranteeing that purchased equipment or system fit the intended purpose, comply with regulations, and won't risk product quality or patient safety. What are the main sections of pharmaceutical URS? You can refer below table for main sections of pharmaceutical URS. The main sections are introduction, scope, detailed requirements like safety, operational, functional, usability, environmental, and regulatory. Acceptance criteria, project management, risk assessment, document control, and appendices. Can a URS be changed after approval? Direct answer is yes. URS documents can be modified, but any changes must be documented, controlled, and communicated to ensure traceability and system integrity. How does URS affect the procurement process? A comprehensive URS streamlines procurement by clearly specifying requirements, reducing ambiguities, preventing costly misunderstandings, and helping vendors quote accurately. What is requirement for URS approval in the pharmaceutical industry? URS must be formally reviewed and approved by all key stakeholders and quality assurance before it is sent to any vendor. Who is responsible for preparing the URS? Typically, the user department that needs the equipment prepares the URS with inputs from engineering and quality assurance, that is QA, to ensure compliance and suitability. Very important and frequently asked question, what is the difference between a URS and a functional specification, that is FS? The URS describes what the user wants from a business perspective, whereas the FS is created by the system vendor or technical team describes how the system will be built to meet those requirements. Very important question, what are some common mistakes to avoid when writing a URS? First, not involving the right stakeholders. Second, being too vague or too specific, that is, getting into technical design. Third, not aligning the URS with regulatory requirements from the beginning. Fourth, failing to get formal sign off from all key parties. And fifth, defining requirements that are not critical or are out of scope. What is the significance of the URS sign-off? The sign-off by all key stakeholders, for example, process owner, QA, quality assurance, IT, information technology, and engineering, signifies that they have reviewed, understood, and agreed to the requirements. Which guidelines are referenced for URS? GAM 5, UGMP Annex 11, 21 CFR Part 11, and ICH Q9 for risk assessment are the guidelines which are very commonly referred for URS. Is URS a GMP document? Direct answer is yes. URS is a controlled GMP document forming the basis of qualification or validation. Very commonly asked question, can URS be revised? Direct answer is yes. URS is a living document. Revisions are controlled via change control. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos related to our